baby. So I have an AliExpress wig from you. This is Unice on AliExpress. AliExpress reached out to me to do this review, not Unice. So I actually purchased this wig with like a credit. So this is an actual purchase. They don't know who they're sending it to. So let's see what she's about. It's a wear and go wig, 7x5 closure. This is the cap construction. Only comes with one comb in the back. And it comes with a removable adjustable strap. It's pre-everything, so pre-bleach, pre-plucked, lace is pre-cut. I'm just going to go ahead and tint the lace and then use my wig dealer lace adhesive spray to tack this on. This wig is pretty easy. Like I said, everything is already done for you. And all you got to do is put it on your head. If you don't want to do the lace adhesive, you honestly don't have to, because I will say that this wig was it was tight. My complaint with Unice in the past was that the wig caps were too large. But with the band, I think they made it a smaller circumference, and then with the band, it sits pretty tight by itself. I just like a seamless look. I don't want somebody to get so close to me they can still see my lace. So I use adhesive spray, no biggie. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, or see more wig reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I also review synthetic wigs, and you can follow me on social media. I have a TikTok where I post many videos of wigs that you could purchase from the TikTok shop. I also have an Instagram page. I have a link tree, all that good stuff. Everything will be down in the description box below. There will also be coupon codes for AliExpress in the description box below, as well as the link where you can purchase this if you're interested. Forgot to mention that the length I have is 24 inches. Y'all got to remember that I'm a shorty. I'm only 5'2", so 24 inches comes down to the small of my back. But this wig, it was easy to define the curls. There was little shedding. There was shedding, but it was what was expected. It wasn't too much. The knots were bleached, but they weren't bleached to where it was over processed. And it was an easy wig all the way through. This is a light density. I would say like 150 density. For me, I don't prefer like thick wigs. So this wig for me was nice. The density was nice. Some people may look at this wig and say, oh, she's too thin. But for me, I feel like a light density of 150 or 180 max is good for me. I don't want nothing else bigger than that. 180 is actually like full for me. So 150 for me is good. So I really like the density of this unit. This is what the hair looks like once you wet it and add product to it, as compared to the other side. But basically about the same. So you're going to get the same curl pattern, which I like. Some wigs you wet them and define the curls, and the curl pattern is totally different from how it arrives. But I really enjoy this unit. Yeah, this is a great spring, summer wig. This is a good vacation wig, because you don't have to do much to throw her on, and the curls is natural curls. I'm really feeling myself in this unit, especially with the leopard print. Ooh, I love it. Look how deep the part can go. And this is just a 7x5 closure, but look how deep a side part can go. So I'm really feeling these wear and go 7x5 closure units. I love me a good closure. This is the type of closure unit that I love because you can play around with it. There's room to play around. Again, I got this from AliExpress. It was super fast shipping. I believe it got here in less than a week. And I think it was a few days, matter of fact. I will definitely say that. But if you're interested, the link will be in the description box. And leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.